Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can switch opponents in Monopoly Go. So basically here, you just have to play on Monopoly Go until you landed on a railroad tile. So continue playing, tapping on the go button to basically roll the dice. And once you go to a railroad tile, you can basically initiate a shutdown. And finally here, once you landed on a railroad tile, it will initiate a shutdown. And basically, you'll find a button right here at the bottom which says switch opponent. So right from here, you can select random player or any of the player under the revenge tab to look for another enemy. So changing the opponent helps you scout better targets. So if you manage to destroy an enemy who has no shields, you will receive a bigger prizes. And also you can select from the friends tab where you can select your friends board and attack their properties to earn rewards. But take note that your friends will receive a notification about the attack and has the option to retaliate in their next shutdown. So what I'm going to do here is basically go to Revenge and tap on the Go button here on the random player. And basically here it will search for friends or opponents automatically. And from here we're going to initiate an attack. So we're going to tap on any of the buildings to get some rewards. So yeah, that's all. That's how you basically switch opponents. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.